Hello dear students, welcome back again in the Team Prince YouTube channel. Here we will discuss about electric field intensity due to a electric dipole at equatorial line. According to the heading, what is given? That electric dipole. We consider that this is a electric dipole. A, this point is B. Minus q charge is present here, plus q charge is present here. Distance between both the charges in electric dipole is 2a. Hence, midpoint of electric dipole is O. Clear? So, distance between O to A is small a, O to B is small a. We have to calculate electric field intensity due to this dipole at equatorial line. What is the equatorial line? The perpendicular line which is passing through the origin point of a electric dipole is called equatorial line. A perpendicular line which is passing through the origin point of electric dipole is perpendicular always, is called equatorial line. So we consider smaller distance a point P is situated. Due to the plus q charge, the direction of electric field E1 along to the B to P, which is outside the electric charge. Due to the minus q charge, E2 vector which is inside the minus q charge. This side is perpendicular, this is base, so this is the 90 degree. Hence, hypotenuse is r square plus a square. Here also h r square plus a square under root, because of Pythagoras theorem. So we can say that we can write PA is equal to PB is equal to under root r square plus a square. We have to calculate electric field intensity at this point P. So we take a electric field due to plus q charge is E1. Electric field due to plus q at P is E1 vector is equal to plus kq under root r square plus a square. Here we write the r square. So under root r square plus a square to the whole square, and direction also V to P. You can write as kq r square plus a square, because under root cancel to the square, and direction B to P. Similarly, due to minus q at P, electric field will be E2 vector minus kq r square plus a square. Here direction is P to P. This is the equation number first. This is the equation number second. Here, according to the equation first and second, you can write by equation first and second. We can write magnitude of electric field E1 is equal to magnitude of electric field E2. This is the equation number third. You can write also mod E vector mod E2 vector. Clear? But here a problem is generated because if 0 degree angle make between E1 and E2 vector, then both the electric field can be added up, but some theta is making here. Due to this, you cannot add both the electric field. So to remove this problem, we divided into component. Consider Px is the line along to the AP. Clear? So component of E1 vector is E1 sin theta, E1 cos theta, because we know that component, perpendicular component is always sin theta, horizontal component is always cos theta. Here E2 vector, this is the horizontal axis, this is the perpendicular axis. Then component of E2 vector is E2 cos theta, here E2 sin theta. By equation third, E1 and E2, they are magnitude of these electric field. So E1 and E2 both are equal to each other, and these components are opposite to each other, so they cancel to each other and horizontal component are added up. In this case, resultant electric field is E is equal to E1 cos theta plus E2 cos theta. By equation third, E1 and E2 both are equal to each other, so we can write as 2E1 cos theta according to the diagram cos theta. Here you can take the triangle POB, POA. This is the theta, this is the theta, Z angle, theta also, this is the theta. Cos theta in the triangle POB is A upon under root R square plus A square. E is equal to magnitude of E1 vector is equal to KQ upon R square plus A square into A under root R square plus A square. You can modify it K Q into 2A here R square plus A square. You can write it as this is the base, this is the base, and you can use the 1 by 2. So power is added up, then you can write 3 by 2 because base are same, then power of it is 1, power of it is 1 by 2, these are added up. We know that P is equal to Q into 2A. E is equal to Kp R square plus A square power 3 by 2. Here R is much greater than A, then A square will be neglect. So you can write E is equal to Kp R square, A square is negligible, then R to the power 3 in vector form. In vector form, E vector Kp vector upon R cube, but minus is always here because electric dipole moment direction is minus q to plus q in this direction, and resultant electric field is in the opposite direction of the electric field. Here direction of electric dipole moment is in the opposite direction of the electric field intensity, so we use here negative. Clear? This is the electric field intensity due to an electric dipole at the equatorial line. Important fact also. Important fact is only that E axial is equal to 2 into E equatorial, because we know that at the E axial the electric field intensity is 2 kp vector upon r cube. Here kp vector upon r cube. So we write here E axial is twice of E equatorial. Clear? This is the important fact, and this is the electric field intensity due to a electric lines. In the next class we complete our first chapter. Thank you so much for watching this video. So keep supporting, keep likes and share and comment also. Thank you so much.